Welcome you all for today's class on the topic reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning works on a feedback based process in which an AI agent, a software component, automatically explore its surrounding by hitting and trail, taking action, learning from experiences and improving its performance. Agent gets rewarded for each good action and get punished for each bad action. Hence, the goal of reinforcement learning agent is to maximize the rewards. In reinforcement learning, there is no labeled data like Unsup- uh, like supervised learning, and agents earn from their experiences only. The reinforcement learning process is similar to a human being. For example, a child learns various things by experiences in his day to day life. An example of reinforcement learning is to play a game where the game is an environment, moves of an agent at each step, define states, and the goal of the agent is to get a high score. Agent receives feedback in terms of punishment and rewards. Due to its way of working, reinforcement learning is employed in different fields such as game theory, operation research, information theory, multi agent systems. A reinforcement learning problem can be formalized using Markov decision process. In Markov decision process, the agent constantly interacts with the environment and performs actions. At each action, the environment responds and generates a new state. Reinforcement learning is categorized mainly into two types of methods or algorithms. One is positive reinforcement learning. Positive reinforcement learning specifies increasing the tendency that the required behavior would occur again by adding something. It enhances the strength of the behavior of the agent and positively impacts it. The second one is negative reinforcement learning. Negative reinforcement learning works exactly opposite to the positive reinforcement learning. It increases the tendency that the specific behavior would occur again by avoiding the negative condition. Reinforcement learning algorithms are much popular in gaming applications. It is used to gain superhuman performance. Some popular games that are using RL algorithms are AlphaGo and AlphaGo Zero. The next use case is resource management. The resource management with deep reinforcement learning paper showed that how to use RL in computer to automatically learn and schedule resources to wait for different jobs in order to minimize average job slowdown. Text mining, one of the great applications of NLP, is now being implemented with the help of reinforcement learning by Salesforce company. Now, Let's discuss on the advantages and disadvantages of oral algorithm. The advantages are it helps in solving complex real world problems which are difficult to be solved by general techniques. The learning model of RL is similar to the learning of human beings, hence, most accurate results can be found. Helps in achieving long term results. The disadvantages with the reinforcement learning are it's not preferred for simple problems. It require huge data and computations. It is too much reinforcement learning can lead to an overload of states which can weaken the results. The curse of dimensionality limits reinforcement learning for real physical systems. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.